Rewards medals and donation points are earned when you do 10,000 steps in a day recorded on your Buddy step counter and uploaded to your Activate Our Lives account. The Activate Our Lives smartphone app will retrieve your data from your account. To view your rewards and donation points, select Rewards on the main screen. Your display will show total donation points earned to date and how many you have already donated to one of your groups. You will see how many donation points are available for donation to your groups. Displayed will be the number of rewards points to your next silver and your next gold medals. When you have achieved your first silver or your first gold medal, contact us via the main site or email us at rewards@activateourlives.com and we will send you your own silver and gold medal to reward all of your efforts. Scroll down the page to see how many points are required for each medal. To donate points to your group, select Donate. Select which of your groups you want to send your points to, and then enter how many points you wish to donate. Remember to select Donate to actually send your points. On the main site, others in your group will be able to see your avatar image, your nickname, and the number of medals you have earned. Wear them with pride. You deserve the recognition for what you have achieved. The main site will also show how many points each group has earned from the efforts of its members and the position in the group league table. This is just for fun, but allows groups to compete against each other to see which earns the highest number of points. This is great for corporate challenges and sponsorship schemes.